Good day everyone, I am Zyrene Coloma and today I will be discussing the topic of overtime pay in the subject of businessman. So let's start and learn with me. In this lesson, you should be able to do the following. First, compare the different types of overtime and their corresponding rate. Second, demonstrate the process of computing for the overtime pay. And third, develop a system for computing the overtime pay. Ano nga ba ang overtime pay? Overtime pay, an 8-hour limit on work is necessary for an employee or worker to have time for rest, relaxation, and social interactions. However, there are times and situations when members of the business organization need to work extra hours. To compensate for the extra time and effort provided by the employee over and above the 8-hour limit, employers provide them with the overtime pay. Ang trabaho natin ay may kaukulan lamang ng 8 oras. Kapag lumagpas ang iyong trabaho ng higit sa 8 oras, ito'y maitatala ng overtime. Ang overtime o sobrang oras sa trabaho ay may garampatang bayad o overtime pay, bukod pa sa normal na iyong sweldo. Overtime pay or overtime premium refers to the additional pay for work hours outside the regular hours. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, ang overtime pay ay kaukulang bayad na idinadagdag sa iyong normal na sweldo kapag sumobra ang iyong 8 oras sa trabaho. Papaano nga ba computein ang overtime pay? To calculate the overtime pay, you may use the following formula. Overtime pay is equals to regular rate multiplied by overtime hours multiplied by hourly rate and multiplied by overtime rate. Ngayon naman, paano naman natin kukumputin ang naging kita? To compute for the earnings for the day, the following formula will be applied. Earnings is equal to regular pay plus overtime pay. Ang unang uri ng overtime pay, on a regular day. Regular day refers to the regular working day agreed upon by the employer and the employee. Example, sinabi ng employer mo na mag-overtime ka ng 2 hours sa regular working day mo, which is yung Monday to Friday. Ngayon, alamin natin kung paano nga ba computein ang overtime pay sa regular day. So on a regular day, ang regular rate natin ay 100% at ang overtime rate naman natin ay 125%. Ang mga rate na ito ay gagamitin natin sa pagkukompute ng on a regular day. Ngayon, tuturuan ko kayong mag-solve gamit ang mga rate na nabanggit ko kanina. Ito ang problem. Jericho is an employee working from Thursday to Monday, being paid 130 pesos per hour or 1,040 pesos per day. On a Saturday, he was required to render 3 hours of overtime work. Ito ang ating given. Given, regular rate is equals to 100%. Overtime hours is equals to 3 hours. Hourly rate is equals to 130 pesos. Overtime rate is equals to 125%. Ang ating formula. Formula, overtime pay is equals to regular rate times overtime hours times hourly rate times overtime rate. Para naman sa ating solution, overtime pay is equals to 100% times 3 hours times 130 pesos times 125%. Remember, the numbers with percent sign must convert into the decimal, so the 100% will be 1 and 125% will be 1.25. Multiplied, 1 times 3 times 130 times 1.25 is equals to 487.50 pesos. So, ang overtime pay natin ay 487.50. Jericho earned 487.50 worth of overtime pay for that day. If his regular work hours are 8 hours, how much would his total earnings be for that day? Magkano naman daw ang naging kita ni Jericho? Para sa pag-calculate ng earning ni Jericho, earnings is equals to regular pay plus overtime pay. Ang regular pay natin ay 1,040 pesos at ang overtime pay natin ay 487.50 pesos. Ngayon, ipag-a-add natin ang dalawa para makuha ang earning ni Jericho. Earnings is equals to 1,040 pesos plus 487.50 pesos. ang earnings na nakuha natin ay 1,527.50 pesos. Jericho's total earnings for that day are 1,527.50 pesos. Sana ay naunawaan niyo ang aking mga tinalakay tungkol sa overtime pay. Isa pa lamang ang on a regular day sa iba't ibang uri ng overtime pay. Matutunghayan niyo pa ang iba't ibang uri ng overtime pay sa reporting ni Ms. Crystal Joy E. Ramos at Mr. Ashley T. Habla. Hanggang sa susunod, paalam!